Hello YouTube land. This is Ing Matthews of the Matthews twins, Ing and Ant. Today's video is going to be about dreadlock double braids. I will have two braids. I will show you how I do them. And let's get guys, I'm back. Basically, the things that you will need for your dreadlock double braids are some rubber bands. You will need, well, this is what I use. I use this Blue Magic coconut oil. It's like a grease. It's a hair conditioner. This is what I use in my hair. In a little spray bottle. And in the spray bottle is just water. Okay, I usually like to kind of like wet set my hair when I'm doing my double braids. So, without further ado, let's get started. Now, I don't use a comb or anything like that to do my part. My part is a little crooked because I have this one dread that's right in the center of my hair. So I can either do it this way or do it that. Well, the best possible path is this way here, because this one dread is right in the middle of my head, so I have to move around it. So I'll put that there. I kind of like feel my way back with my fingers on how clear the part path is. So I got it. So let me just show you what it looks like from the back, so you get kind of like an idea. Okay, that is my part path. So what I do with this here is I'll pull this into kind of like a ponytail, so I don't pull any of the hair from this side into the double braid on this. I grabbed a little of the coconut oil, okay, and I'll rub it together, kind of make it more malleable. See how solid it is right now? This makes it more malleable. As you can see how shiny that is, like just like grease, just like oil. Rub it together like that, and I just rub it in my hair. I'm in between a fresh twist. I retwisted my hair maybe about 2 weeks ago. So now I like to get the braid part nice and shiny. I braid kind of tight, so I need to have my scalp moisturized because the braids be pulled so tight. And sometimes it itches after a while because of the hair is being pulled so tight. So I like to moisturize my scalp and oil my scalp real good to keep it from bumping up. You know how, like, I don't know, maybe some girls might know what I'm talking about, is if you go to an African braiding shop and they braid your hair, and if they braid your hair too tight, it kind of bumps up a little bit. The part where they grab the hair from, it'll bump up. And I noticed that when I braid real tight without moisturizing my scalp, I get those little bumps. So anyway, so this is what I've learned to do. I like to spray it down with a little water. This is almost like a wet set, because what this will do also is once I take the braids out, my hair will be so wavy and crinkly and curly. I like that braid out sensation. How it makes my hair nice and wavy and stuff. Okay. So now that's nice and moist and a little bit of wet and greased. You know, I'm going to start braiding. at least the first couple of dreads. This way, it looks fresher. From the front. Like I said, I haven't retwisted my hair for about a good 2 weeks or so. So as long as the front dreads, you know, the ones that most people can see, like from the scalp, is a fresh twist, then I guess we're good. Because these are the ones that people are going to see. The others are just going to be kind of like braided in. Okay. As I mentioned before, I'm right-handed, but I retwist with my left hand. And I twist counterclockwise. I'm gonna turn this way so you can see it. Okay, so that's one. And we'll do the same thing on this side that we did on the other. This side is always a little fuller. I think I have more hair on this side of my head. Again, I grabbed the grease, the coconut oil. Nice little glob. again, I put all this coconut oil in my hair to keep the scalp from being dry while it's in the braids. Keep it moisturized. Okay. Now I spray it down with water. Makes it easier to grab too while it's a little wet. And then when it has to roll. At least for me, that is my experience. I worked it through. Because I'm left-handed, it gets so tricky trying to retwist and not have my right arm get in the way. And again, this is a process that I do in between a fresh retwist, you know, where I'll wash it, blow dry it, you know, and retwist it with, you know, the locking gel, stuff like that. So this is just the process that I do in between a retwist. This keeps my dreads looking nice and fresh. And again, I retwist the ones in the front because those are the ones that you're going to see the easiest while my hair is braided back in the double braids. Okay. See? Looks good. All right. I'll do one more. Maybe two more. I'll do this one. Well, that one got twisted in there with it. Okay, guys. I think we're ready. Okay, so I'll stand this way so you can see. Okay. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep you updated with good content. Thanks.